This is so crazy, guys. I just ordered these yesterday, and they're already here. This is the Li Time. Used to be Ampere Time. Man, it is pouring rain outside. You see all that water? This is crazy. All right, here's your book. Why don't I? Oh, they got them in a different place. They got them separate. Usually, I think they come in them. I don't know. I don't remember. All right. Something seems different here. I might be wrong. Okay, that's different. I feel like the case is smaller, which would be a good thing. Don't get me wrong. You know, hear me out, but in my opinion, I would expect some kind of information about the BMS on the battery. Alright, got my meter. We're going to see what the voltage is upon delivery. Negative in there, positive in there. 13.1 exactly. And if you look at the product manual, 13.1 should be about a 40% charge. So about 8 1/8 and 20 1/16. Now if I go over here to one of my Ampere times, almost 9 1/2 wide. These look like they're measuring like 19 3/4. So these are about 8 5/8 tall. What are these? About the same. Alright, so they're a little longer, a little narrower, and the same height. Okay, let's get the rest of them out. $13.1 exactly. Alright, they all came with the same charge. It's a good thing. The only real deal is they are different in size. Alright, let's see. Overall, it's 32 3/4. The overall on my Ampere time is pretty much 38 inches. Okay, now let's hook this to the battery. The only thing left to do is plug the power. And we should have settings, battery, 13.5, discharge floor. Alright, state of charge. When I received these, they were about 80 amp hours. We put approximately 70 to 75. So I would say this is at 75% charged. And now we should be good. We're at 75%. Alright guys, I wasn't able to video the rest of the charging for these batteries, but I did perform the test After that battery charged, I put the next battery on charge and I reset the Victron app history, and this was the results after a full charge from 40% to 100%. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. I have solar panels coming, so there will be an install video on that coming soon. Till next time, peace.